Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about the basic aggregations in Power BI. In the previous video, basically I shown you how you can create a tables, basic table. So I just quickly add a table here, okay? And for example, inside the column, the first column is the subcategories. You can define this column. The second column is, for example, sale, and then we have a profit. So we have three columns of this table, okay? And inside this table, if I basically uh, zoom it, okay, like that, okay, inside this column here you can see that inside this the profit, this is the sum of the profit, okay. Inside this sales, this is the sum of the sales, okay. If you want to change it, for example, aggregation like average, okay, at the place of the sum rather than the sum, you can achieve this inside this column, okay. For example, we change the sum of the sales to the average of the sales, okay. So click on this arrow sign, that is data option, and inside the data option, this is the summarization. Click on this, and here the sum is selected. You can go for the average. Click on average, and here you can see that the column name is also changed, average of sales, and now the average of sales is showing, okay. So this is how you can aggregate the uh, columns. Before going further, let's increase the size of the values, okay. For example, inside the values, go to the values, and here increase the size to 15, okay. Here, hope you have understood about this aggregation topic in Power BI. If you want to order me, on the video description, go to the order link, fill your criteria. You can add, attach any file, okay, like in MS Word or PDF file, okay, or you can write your work in the description or message tab, and you can send me the order. If you have any question, you can ask your question on the video question link that is mentioned in video description, or you can ask your question in video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice